Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to blur in Canva. So let's get started. To start, sign into your Canva account and open the design project where you want to apply the blur effect. Select the image or elements you want to blur. Now click on Edit Photo and scroll down to Effects. From here, select Blur. Now adjust the blur intensity using the intensity slider to achieve the perfect level of blurriness. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.